Hello my friends, today we're going to be making chicken halang halang, which is spicy chicken. It was requested by my bestie Manuel. Love you boo, this is for you. You are going to need some chicken, dark meat chicken. What I have here is chicken quarters cut into pieces. It was cut through the bone. This was done by my butcher. You could go ahead and ask them to do it. Ask them to cut them. If you use just chicken legs, cut it into 3 pieces. Chicken quarters, I asked them for 4. You could also use chicken wings if you like, but do not use the chicken breast. It will dry out too much. And you want it with the bone. Do not use any boneless red meat as well, because the bone gives it a lot of flavor. So we need the bone. You're also going to need some calamansi. These are Filipino lemons, little limes. You could go ahead and just use limes if you like, if you cannot find these. You're also going to need some ginger and some garlic. You're going to need some red onion, soy sauce, some more garlic for the marinade. You're going to need chicken bouillon. This is the soy sauce I use, the Silver Swan. This is my favorite. This is a Filipino brand. And you're also going to need some chilies. What I have here are just some mixture of some dried and fresh red chilies. If you do not have fresh ones, go ahead and use all dried. Do not use jalapeno or serranos. You won't get the same flavor. So make sure they're like tree ones. You could buy in the supermarket chile de árbol and that will work just fine. You want a lot because this is spicy chicken, so you need the spice. So make sure you get a lot of that. And we're going to be cooking this chicken in Sprite. I know, we are. So I have 2 cans of Sprite. We're going to use probably 1.5 or 2 depending on how well it covers. And we're also going to need some black pepper. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and marinate our chicken. What are you doing?
Nothing.
I'm trying to record YouTube video.
I don't care.
A ver, usted dime, ¿qué son los ingredientes? Go.
¿Qué son los ingredientes,
Sí.
Zenaida? Dímelos.
Oh. Chicken,
Chicken,
calamansi,
calamansi,
ginger,
ginger,
garlic,
garlic,
onion, cebolla,
onion, cebollita, morada,
chicken bouillon,
chicken bouillon,
soy sauce,
soy sauce,
more garlic,
more garlic, fresh garlic,
chili,
chili,
spray,
Sprite,
pepper.
pepper,
And you're
más
done.
pollo.